Hi, my great people. How are you? Say hi to me. My name is Faith. My channel is called River Girl, but my real name is Faith. You can see what is River Girl usually do in the village. Look at these my peas, the way they look. Look at them. Look at my peas, the way it is so good. Look at this. Can you see this one? This one is a piece. You can know this one is a dry ones. If you don't know the dry piece, this one they are dry ones. You can see the way they look. These are the dry ones. These pieces are the dry ones. Now this one is the which is dry. This is the dry ones. The dry ones looks like this. The dry ones look like this. Aya. The which they are not dry. So if you want to prepare our beans, our peas usually come to remove like this. This is how we usually remove the peas. This is how we usually remove the peas. This is how we usually remove the peas, guys. You can see. Okay, I want to separate them. You can see this one they are this one they are good like vegetable. This one you can mix with rice. You can eat the peas using chapati. And this one they are the dry ones. This one they are for kideri. If you don't know kideri, this one they are for kideri. So guys, can you see the way my peas they are carrying a lot of peas? Now this one is this one is the tree. If you don't know the tree of the peas is this one. So these days, I'm so happy because now we are not going to buy food in the market. We will eat the peas now. We will eat the peas. The peas we usually sell them. We usually sell the peas. We get money. We get money to buy other food. So these kilograms of the peas in the market we usually sell like $1. In the market we usually sell like $1. And you can see the peas, they are so good everywhere. Let me show them the few. This is the view in our farm, guys. Can you see? That is the view in our farm, guys. Even here we have another. Here we have another. If you don't know the cowpeas, here we have the cowpeas, but this one is not rich. This one is the cowpeas. This one is a cowpeas. This one is a cowpeas. You can see even it has some two small seeds. It has the two small seeds. This one is called the cowpeas. Here I have my maize. This one, if you don't know the maize, this one is the maize. Can you look the way the maize it looks? Can you see the way the maize it looks? The insects they are affecting my maize. You can see. So the maize now they want the medicine. The maize now they want the medicine, and you can see the way my peas they are so good, guys. So guys, I usually tell you River Girl is a very hardworking girl, and may God continue blessing you guys for always watching my videos. Bye. Hi guys, how are you? This is River Girl, but my real name is Faith. Today I am giving my cows some water here. I love my cows so much, so I'm giving them some water, guys. I'm giving my cows some water. I love my cows so much. Even I love my donkey. I love this my animals so much, guys. Get a give.
That is comma. Second 36.
Hi, my great people. How are you? This is Chores River Girl, but my real name is Peggy. Today I'm here carrying my djembe. Today I want to clean my farm. You can see the way my farm of fruits, the way they look well. You can see here I have papaws, I have lemons, I have mangoes, and I have many fruits. So I'm just praying to God to renew so that the rain can come, so that my papaws can grow very well. And I have my two small papaws around. So I am just want to clean the ear so that my fruits can have a good air. Let's go, guys. And these sticks cannot draw them because I'll just do them mulching. I will do the sticks with mulching. So this dirty I cannot draw them. I will just do mulching. And it's good to give some plants some soil. Yeah, we have another plant here. I have many fruits, guys.